On my way to the zip line now. I'm walking to the zip line. Perfect. I will soon be climbing that tower.
Oh, what people? Apparently, now's a nice time to go down to the car because there's no one there.
I know, perfect.
Just like the zip line.
All right, I'm videoing this.
Okay. Well, if you'd like to go ahead and stand up.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, get that clip.
Oop. Yeah, I was one of those short people.
Happens all the time. Zip clear. Clear. Alright.
Oh my gosh, this is it.
Go ahead and sit down.
Okay, ready?
Don't drop your phone.
I won't drop my phone, or I'll be in big trouble. Okay, ready? I'm going. Woo-hoo! Oh, that's perfect! That was great.
How was it?
That was great.
Did you get a video of the whole thing going down?
Yeah, I did.
Nice. The first person I've seen to have that idea. Smart.
I'm gonna see how it works. See if it turned out all right. All right, thank you. I'm gonna go again. That's all right, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You're free to go as many